everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make kinchakuni. Kinchakuni is something cooked in beanbag, and something can be anything. Today I'm cooking some pork and edamame, but you can do chicken, turkey, some other vegetable, anything you like. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this kinchakuni, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 5 aburage, deep fried tofu, about 300 grams of ground pork, edamame, shell removed already, and it's about 150 grams, some carrot and ginger, 1 teaspoon of hondashi, instant Japanese soup stock, and 1 tablespoon each of soy sauce, mirin, and sake. I'm making the filling, so let's cut the vegetables. So ginger, about this size. I'm going to use it with the skin on, so I washed it really well. Let's just mince it. And put it in the last bowl. Carrot. I'm going to use half of this. Peel the skin. Again, I'm going to mince it. And into the same bowl. Edamame, ground pork, and some salt and pepper, about a teaspoon. And knead it well until everything is well cooperated. And the filling is ready. Now let's prepare aburage, the bean bag. Prepare kitchen paper and rolling pin. Put aburage between the kitchen paper and roll it out. This is to remove excess oil and also to make it easy to open. Let's do the other 2. Cut it into half and open. So it's like a small bag. Put some filling in the bag. The filling is about 80% of the bag. Then close the opening using toothpick as if you're sewing it, so back and forth. Squeeze it here, like this. It's all filled and sealed. They look so pretty. I love how they taste, but I also love how they look. Now it's time to cook them. Put 1 cup of water and all the seasonings into the frying pan. Hondashi instant Japanese soup stock, sake, mirin, and soy sauce. Give it a stir. And exclude all these kinchaku bags. Cover it with the lid and bring it to boil over medium-high heat. When it comes to boil, turn the heat to low and let it simmer for 10 minutes with the lid on. Cook for 10 minutes. Gently flip them over and cook the other side for another 10 minutes. The other side is cooked for 10 minutes too. Kill the heat and it's done. Let me show you how it looks inside. Remove the toothpick. And let's cut it into half. So colorful. Time for the tasting. いただきます。Because it's cooked in the back, the pork is so juicy, and the edamame adds nice texture to it, and it's absolutely delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Kinchakuni is the main, so it goes here. Plain rice here and mushroom miso soup or any soup you like here. You can have anything you like for the side dishes, but how about green beans with sesame sauce for one of them and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!